Hello, friends. Today I am going to discuss, two flip side of news-based trading. News-based trading has become more popular among many traders because traders can make uh, you know fortune or and can make some quick money. I was on their shoes in my past trading life. Uh, I can still recall that during February 2009, one FNO stock, uh, you know, mm, Hindalco was about to release its quarterly result, quarterly earnings result, and market was expecting a robust result. So on the next day, that is on the event day of publishing result, the Hindalco stock price of Hindalco uh, was opened gap up and made a day's high, and then it started coming down. So I thought I should buy some quantity at nearby support level. So and likewise I bought a huge quantity of Hindalco uh, at at support level, but instead of I didn't put any stop loss. So instead of going high, it started drifting down fast. So I was already sitting on a huge loss. So later on, I resorted to some, high probability trading system, and it really paid off. So, uh, actually, why paid off? So, I I learned a lesson from my experience that without you know studying a chart, technical chart, I should not uh, go for short-term trading or uh, day trading, or you can say intraday trading. So why uh, or what are the two flip sides of news-based trading? Because number one is news in trading. News was serve to shake off weak traders, to stop out the market and uh, market by creating high level of volatility. So uh, and second one is it many times it can be a trap to by the smart players, big players, or punters to uh, to you know uh, to make you initiate a trade uh, just uh, to gain some money in their favor. So that is for the two reasons I avoid nowadays. I avoid news-based trading, and so if you are doing this, uh, My request is, please uh, think before doing news based trading. Okay, thank you.